Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Jiu-Jitsu 2000 here today. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm out here at the Chinook and I'm testing these small impact wrenches. I want to show you what they're capable of. So we're going to start off with the Makita Knockoff. I did 3 videos recently on these impact wrenches, and I just want to show you, are they capable of busting the lugs on this Chinook? So we're going to go ahead and start. And we did. Took a lot to do it. Let's try another one. Wah, wah, wah. I got lucky on that first one. I tried several lugs with this knockoff, and on this 1-ton chassis, it just wasn't powerful enough to knock these lugs off. So let's try the Teccpo and see if it'll break these lugs. Nothing. Let's try another one. So there's just not enough torque, not enough foot-pounds in both of these to break these lugs. So we're going to go with the Makita high torque model. And just in case you guys may have forgot, this is XWT08. So let's try this one. Very easy, and this thing is on low. I don't even have it on a medium or a high setting. Let's try another one. So even on low, I'm able to bust these lugs loose. So this Makita, if this is the kind of chassis that you're going to be looking for an impact driver for, or an impact wrench, I would suggest the Makita. I mean, even on low range, it takes these off. If I put it on high range, got to be careful, but I'm going to try this one on high range. Really quick work there. Just bust that thing off. Very effective. Let's try this one. Which way am I going here? There we go. There we go. No problem. So I hope that this helps you out, just in case you might be in the market for an impact wrench and you want something strong that's going to be able to do lugs on a 1-ton chassis. The Makita has the torque to do it. I'm going to put it back to low range because high is just, it's a little more than what I need. So again, if we go back to the Teccpo, excuse me, and we try, like the first one, I'm sure it will because it's not as tight because I tightened it with this. So it'll probably break this one loose. Yeah, see, it broke that one loose. But any of these others, yeah, but only because they've already been broken loose. So that's really all I have for you in this video today. If you're looking for an impact wrench for the purpose of busting lugs on something heavy like this, this Makita is not going to let you down. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.